Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I will be showing you how to fix error posting in Craigslist. So fixing an error posting message on Craigslist often involves bypassing an IP ban, reducing posting frequency, or ensuring content isn't flagged as spam. Now, key solutions for this issue is to include disabling VPNs. So in case you had any extension that has VPN, make sure to turn it off. Now, some of the antivirus comes with VPNs, so make sure to turn any kind of VPN that comes with them off as well. Now, beside all of that, what could be happening also? Simply just the fact that you have mal cookies or something bad in your website files could be interrupting it. So just go here, click and remove all of the cookies, refresh and log in back to your account. This could help you a lot. And when you go to post here, make sure that simply you are choosing the correct stuff, as you can see, and fill in all of this information as you'll be seeing right here. In case you have missed any kind of information, this could be showing you the error posting because you are not filling all the information that are necessary for this actual for the actual posting. So this is very important to know. So also make sure to avoid keyword stuffing. Do not overload your ad with irrelevant keywords, as this triggers automated spam filters, and check content for spam. Ensure your post does not violate community guidelines, such as posting the same ad in multiple cities or categories. And yeah, in general, if you just respected these things, this will help you to fix the issue and basically make the error posting disappear from your screen. And that's probably it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and basically leave us a beautiful comments. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.